Welcome to Adventurehead. Ever since we started using Thorx Racing 8-inch tablet, our navigation experience has dramatically improved. But being in between bikes, we still haven't had a chance of mounting one properly yet. We've been looking for the lightest possible solution to support our tablet up high and within line of sight while standing up riding off-road. The challenge with the Kove 450 Rally is that its stock plastic tower lacks the rigidity to handle any extra weight without introducing visible vibrations. After searching for a while and not quite finding anything that matched our needs, we decided to reach out to Moto Boxer. They carry a lightweight plastic navigation support that's been a big sales hit, likely due to its lightweight and low cost. But its proposed tablet positioning is far from ideal. So after speaking with Philippe, he made a strong case for us to try their full navigation tower. And I have to say, I'm really glad we did. The installation process seems a little tricky at first, but once you figure it out, you'll see it's just a question of unscrewing things out and just putting them back together in the right order. And everything came out really nicely. Let's check it out. Everything seems really well thought out. There's a place for everything. Everything fits really nice and neatly. And this is also going to make your life a lot easier to connect and disconnect, the plugs from the lights, which not only to put it back together, but for future maintenance or whatever you want to need to do in the future. I think this really improves the usability of the tower or the front of the Kove. So really impressed with the product so far, and we're going to keep on putting it together. Well, we're quite pleased with the final result. And the weight difference between this plastic stock tower and this sturdy aluminium navigation tower is a mere 802 grams. And considering you still need some kind of attachment to support your tablet to the original setup, the actual difference is even less. The tablet position is absolutely spot on, offering an excellent compromise for both standing and seated riding. Now we just need to put it through its paces off-road and bring you some more feedback after that. I hope you have enjoyed our Moto Boxer Rally Tower installation video, and if your heart pumps in RPMs like mine does, don't forget to rev that like button, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next ride.